Hey guys, Ben here from Pax Power Performance Trucks in Houston, Texas. And our niche hit for a long time has been build the trucks the OEMs won't. When Ford didn't build a V8 Raptor, we did. There's no GM, there's no Silverado or Sierra Raptor competitor. Well, we filled that gap with our Jackal builds. And now it's time to talk about the new Tundra. Toyota, they have the TRD Pro. It's overpriced. It looks just like every other Tundra on the road. I see them all the time. Nothing special. But what we've got here is the truck you've been looking for. This is the truck that has flared bodywork like a Ford Raptor or a TRX or one of our Jackals. This is the truck that has lots of suspension travel. It has 37-inch tires. This is the truck that is going to set you apart from all the other Tundras on the road. We're going to be doing a lot of videos with this truck. We're going to be talking about the details, different options. With Pax Power, as always, every build is like a custom home. You can make it exactly what you want, but the basic bones and structure are going to be the same. This is our 3-inch wider body kit that really adds some cool lines and aggressive stance to the new Tundra. We've got several different suspension options that add 3 inches of lift in the front, 1 inch in the back, come with different control arm options and different shock options. Got wheels and tires, 35 or 37-inch wheels and tires. We can accessorize it however you want, bumpers, lights, side steps, graphics. You know, this truck can be made exactly how you want. It's a blank slate. It's going to come in a lot of different price points. Think you could be looking anywhere from $70,000 to $100,000 for a Tundra plus the build, depending on the trim Tundra, depending on the build. So we're going to have something for everybody. So stay tuned with us over the next month or two. We're going to be showing you a lot more of this truck. We've got some customer ones in the work that we're going to be showing you. And if you are interested in one of these, you think maybe you want to build a Tundra with us, the first step with Pax Power, give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.